All right, kia ora koutou whānau. I hope everybody is staying safe out there and still getting amongst their lockdown. Today we are going to be looking at division facts. Now, it's my experience in the classroom that kids make connection to their multiplication knowledge and facts a lot quicker than they do to their division facts, and lots of kids actually seem to put division in almost a too hard basket, and they haven't yet made the link that division and multiplication facts are very, very closely linked. And if you know your multiplication facts, then you can actually work out or have that knowledge of your division facts. So today we're going to be looking at a strategy that I've found really successful in the classroom, which is reverse multiplication. And basically what that is turning a division problem into a multiplication problem. So again, I've started with a word problem here. This goes, Dylan has 63 lollies to share out to his friends at his birthday party. If he had 7 friends coming and they each got an even share, how many would they each get? So I've highlighted some of that key information there. So we know we've got 63 lollies. That word share is important because it's telling me what method I'm going to have to use. Is it a multiplication? Is it a division? And when it's something like a share, I'm sharing out something, I know that it's going to be a division question. 7 friends, and they each get an even share. So even sharing is going to be my division facts, and I know I'm from the 63 and the 7, I'm dividing that big chunk of 63 into 7 different parts. So my question is, 63 divided by 7 is going to give me my answer, how many they'll each get. Now, the first thing I need to do is I want to reverse it into a multiplication problem. So down here, I've done that. 7 times something is going to give me 63. Now, that question mark is that number that's represented by the question mark, which we're trying to work out, is going to be the same in both of those problems. So again, I've taken it and turned it into a multiplication instead. Now, immediately, somebody might say, I don't know what my 7 times table is. I don't know 7 times something. So what I'm going to suggest there, and what I often use with my students, is if I don't know a multiplication fact, I work around the ones that I already know. I use a known fact. Often, students learn their 2s, 5s, and 10s first. So my very next question to them would be, what 7 times tables do you know that might be near 63? And they might work out that 7 times 10 is 70. Now, 70 is very close to 63. And then I might say to them, all right, well, does that mean that my answer is going to be higher or lower than 10? And they'll say, oh, well, it's going to have to be lower. From there, I get them to work out how many lots of 7 do they have to go down. And hopefully they'll see that they only need to go down 1 lot of 7, which means that 7 times 9 is going to be 63. So if I replace this with a 9 in there, it also means I'm replacing this question mark with a 9. 63 divided by 7 equals 9 because 7 times 9 equals 63. Now, to really solidify that, I'm going to switch over to this triangle here, which is a family of facts triangle. Basically, what I've got here is I've got my 7, my 9, and my 63. And what this does is it shows and makes those connections really clear in a visual form that 7 times 9 equals 63, but also 9 times 7 equals 63. But not only that, 63 divided by 7 equals 9, and 63 divided by 9 equals 7. And I'm really trying to make the links with my students that if you know your multiples, you also know your division facts. And even if you don't know all of your multiplication facts, usually we work up to 12 times 12, any that you do know can help you to work out the ones that you do not. All right, team, so that is reverse multiplication for division facts. Again, I'm going to put some follow-up work in the description box of the video. Thank you very much for joining in. Let me know how you get on. Again, share me some work if you're a Ngāhere. Really enjoying checking that out. Have an awesome day. See you later.